Okay, it's waterproof.
We stomp our feet, we clap our hands, we shout, we cry, we dance, and we say, sweet Lord, speak to me. Speak to me, speak to me, speak to me. Because we love.
This is ERSA, this is ERSA, you are ERSA, okay? Everybody that makes this happen, this is a community thing, and that's what ERSA is. So, split S, over the top, then back through the gate, not through here, not on the outside, through the gate. So over the top, turn, and through the gate. That is your split S. Follow the gate. You go in, okay? You have to stay within the flags, the red flags. You're in and out. Oh, you can corkscrew it. You can go all like that. You can put real power loop. You can do a.
See someone who doesn't look like they speak that, you may want to translate. Let's speak a little bit of French. S'il vous plaît. Prop on backwards? We'll have to see. Take a look.
Number 2 spawn qualifying 11th overall is Stanton FPV, and on the pool qualifying 6th overall is Collision FPV. Are you guys all right? It's a race in paradise as we work our way closer to ERSA.
Fix this.
6 y 7 se pisan.
We're trying to fix this one problem.
Wow.
All right, pilots, retrieve your quads. Goggles off. Goggles off. Goggles off, guys.
Goggles off your head. Goggles off. Get your goggles off.
Remove goggles. Remove goggles. Remove goggles.
Goggles off.
Do not touch anything metal, please. Remove goggles. Remove goggles, guys. No.
What are you thinking about?
Extreme weather.
Tornado 1, event 0.
You are the champion? Yeah.